So this afternoon we are expecting two items that would come out from this package. The first one would be the EC90 cycling saddle, and it has a combination of colors white, red, and black. And the second one is the woven cycling jersey tops, and it is colored pink and a little bit, and half of it is violet. So let's start the unpacking or unboxing. Stupid. All right. Here's the saddle. The saddle. Here is the shirt or the long sleeves. Let's open first the long sleeves because I'm kind of excited and Huh. Oh, they gave their exact color design. Wow, it's cool. I like it. I will be able to use this in the coming days and have a long ride with it. Thanks. The size as well is correct. And this one, this is the highlight because this will serve off. Do you see that? There is a hole. They did not put bubble wrap, or let's say the bubble wrap is thin. They did not put a bubble wrap, and that's bad on them. Let's see if it has damage. The saddle is kind of big. It's long, but it's very light. The design is correct, but I wasn't expecting it to be this big. It's really big as compared to my previous saddle. Huh. I'm surprised. I wonder if this is it's really long. As compared to my saddle, it's long. But since it is not damaged or scratched in any way, defective in any way, then I think it deserves a compliment. But I'm frustrated that it's kind of long. I didn't expect it to look this way. I am kind of disappointed because my saddle is only like this. Yeah, my saddle's only like this. But regardless, I still got the exact items, and thank you. Bye bye.